Imagine a kitchen appliance that saves space, cooks family-size meals with ease, and cleans up like a dream. Enter this Bella 4-quart Slim Air Fryer, a game-changer for anyone who loves delicious, crispy food without the hassle. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or a home cook craving healthier recipes, this air fryer delivers big on flavor, convenience, and style. Let's dive into why the Bella 4-quart Slim Air Fryer is the must-have kitchen gadget of 2025, and why you'll want to grab one today. Why the Bella 4-quart Air Fryer stands out. The Bella 4-quart Slim Air Fryer isn't just another appliance, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Designed with fits-anywhere kitchenware technology, its tall, slim profile slips into tight spaces, saving up to 50% more cabinet or counter room compared to bulkier models. Yet, don't let its compact size fool you. With a 3.3-pound extra-large basket capacity, it's perfect for whipping up crispy fries, juicy chicken wings, or even a whole salmon for a family of 4. Available in chic colors like Oatmilk, Surf, Plum, and Blossom, it's as stylish as it is functional, adding a modern flair to any kitchen. What makes this air fryer truly special? It's the thoughtful details. The EverGood Ceramic Nonstick Coating ensures food slides right off, making cleanup a breeze, no scrubbing required. Plus, it's free of harmful chemicals like PFAS, PFOA, and PTFE, so you can cook healthier meals with peace of mind. The digital controls offer 6 preset cooking options: air fry, bake, roast, broil, reheat, and dehydrate, making it a versatile tool for everything from crispy snacks to dehydrated fruit slices. With 1300 watts of power and circular heat technology, you get perfectly cooked food every time, fast. Key features that spark joy in the kitchen: space saving. Slim design, the tall, sleek profile saves up to 50% more space, ideal for small kitchens or crowded counters. Store it easily with the handy cord wrap feature. XL 3.3-pound basket capacity, cook large batches for the whole family. Think crispy fries, tender salmon, or a pile of wings, all in one go. EverGood Ceramic Nonstick Coating. Enjoy effortless food release and quick cleanup. Both the basket and crisping tray are dishwasher-safe for ultimate convenience. 6 preset cooking modes: air fry, bake, roast, broil, reheat, or dehydrate with a tap. The adjustable temperature and 60-minute auto shutoff with an audible tone keep cooking stress-free. Safety. First, the cool touch handle and durable build ensure safe handling, even during busy dinner prep. Stylish flair, subtle fluting, rounded corners, and a matte finish in 4 exclusive colors. Oatmilk is a fan favorite. Elevate your kitchen's aesthetic. Benefits that make every meal better. The Bella 4-quart Slim Air Fryer isn't just about cooking, it's about making life easier and meals tastier. Here's how it transforms your kitchen routine. 1. Saves time and space. Its compact design fits anywhere, while the large basket cooks family-sized portions in one batch. No need for multiple rounds. 2. Healthier cooking. Made simple, the ceramic nonstick coating cuts down on oil use, and the chemical-free surface ensures safer meals for you and your loved ones. 3. Effortless cleanup. Say goodbye to stuck-on messes. The dishwasher-safe basket and tray make post-meal cleanup as easy as popping them in with your plates. Who's it for? Your kitchen soulmate. This air fryer is perfect for anyone who wants big results from a small package. Busy families will love the extra-large basket for quick weeknight dinners. Apartment dwellers and small space cooks will appreciate its slim, storable design. Health-conscious foodies can enjoy crispy textures without excess oil, thanks to the ceramic coating. Even style-savvy home cooks will adore how the Oatmilk or Plum finish adds a pop of personality to their countertops. Whether you're air frying fries for game night or dehydrating fruit for snacks, the Bella 4-quart Slim Air Fryer fits your vibe. Real talk. What's the catch? No product is perfect, so let's address the elephant in the room. The 4-quart capacity is fantastic for most families, but if you're cooking for a crowd, think 6+ people, you might need to batch cook larger dishes. Why you should act now. The Bella 4-quart Slim Air Fryer combines innovation, safety, and style in a way that few appliances can match. It's not just about frying, it's about creating meals that bring people together, all while keeping your kitchen tidy and your cooking stress-free. With its modern fluting, powerful 1,300-watt performance, and chemical-free non-stick coating, it's a small investment for big rewards. Plus, who can resist those gorgeous color options? Oatmilk is calling my name. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.